Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page you will search about the application of Tapon and you will enter. Here you click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tapon. Then we'll announce your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.